kids, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Children, today's our lesson is match the beginning sound with pictures and write the middle and ending sound. Now let's start our work. Children, which sound is this? This is And which picture starts from the sound of M? Is this? What is this? Do you know? This is jug. Jug. And what is this? This is bug. Bug. And this is tub. Tub. And what is this, children? This is mug. Mug. Yes. This picture starts from the sound of And what is the spelling of mug? M-U-G, mug. And now we will match the word to the picture. Children, which sound is this? This is. And which picture starts from the sound S? Is this start from the S? And what is this? This is curve. And what is this? This is sun. And what is the spelling of sun? S-U-N, sun. Now we will match the spelling of sun to the picture of sun. Children, which sound is this? G. And which picture starts from the sound of G? Is this start from the G? No. And what is this? Yes, this is gun. Gun. Gun starts from the sound of G. And what is the spelling of gun, children? G-U-N. Gun. Now we will match the spelling of gun to gun. Children, which sound is this? This is jug. Yes. And the spelling of jug is J-U-G, jug. Now we will match the spelling of jug to jug. Children, which sound is this? This is her. Is this start from the her? No, because it is a her. What is this? Yes, this is herd. Herd. And the spelling of herd is H-U-T, herd. Now we will match the spelling of herd to herd. Which sound is this? This is B. What is this, children? Yes, this is bird. Bird. And the spelling of bird is B-U-G, bird. Now we will match the spelling of bird to the picture of bird. Which sound is this? T. What is this, children? Yes, this is tub. And the spelling of tub is T-U-B, tub. Now we will match the spelling of tub to the picture of tub.
Children, which sound is this? This is k.
This is curve. Curve, curve, curve. And the spelling of curve is C-U-P, curve. And now we will match the spelling of curve to the picture of curve. I hope children you will understand that how can we match the beginning sound with their pictures.